Hey guys, welcome to another video. Oh my god guys, the weather is so nice out today. Like the sun is out. It's a bit cold, it's a bit nippy, but the sun is just shining. And it's just today the vlog is just gonna be a chill with me vlog. Honestly, I have no plans for today besides staying at home and reading my books. Speaking of books, I don't think I ever mentioned it to you guys, but one of my goals for this year is to read one book every month. And look at my intentionally stacked books right beside me just for this video. But anyways, I want to show you guys two books I've read so far. This is March, so I read this two in February. I didn't read any book in January, but I read this two in February. This is Kim Ji-young's Born 1982, and this is His Only Wife, and I absolutely loved reading this book. If you guys want me in upcoming videos to talk about books that I've read so far, all my books I'm reading is non-fiction, because going back into reading, I want to read, my plan is to read stories that are interesting, non-fiction. So that's the kind of books I'm gonna be leaning towards. So if you like non-fiction books, then maybe in the future, if you guys want it, I can do like a sit-down video talking about all the books I've read. But my recent buy, oh my god, let me show you guys my recent buy. My recent buy, I got It Ends With Us. Everybody has been talking about this book, guys. My Instagram explore page is all books now, because that's the only thing I'm looking at on Instagram now. So everybody says It Ends With Us, and this is what I'm going to start reading today. And I also got The Hating Game. These are like romance genre, so I'm very excited. This is what I'm going to be reading today, It Ends With Us. It's a bit big, but I read quite fast. I'm not trying to finish this whole thing in a day or something like that, but I'm gonna see if I can. Since I have nothing to do today, maybe I'm just gonna dedicate today to reading, but let's see. So yeah, this is my two books that I'm gonna be reading maybe this month. I mean, I know I did give myself reading one book a month, but maybe I think I can push for 2 books a month, but let's see. But yeah, today's a chill day. I'm just gonna go outside now and just enjoy the weather outside, make myself a cup of tea and just read my book. Yeah.
When I wake, the moon's still fading in the sky. There are shapes around the room. A man made out of clothes on a chair, and I look to him for all my grace, life advice. And he holds me when I'm scared, and he takes all that
Oh my god, guys, the sun is so bright. I hope you guys can see me. So I am 4 chapters into It Ends With Us, and I have to say I'm obsessed already. I'm hooked into the story. I love a good cheesy romance book or movie. Future me laughing at myself at the cheesy romance comments I just made. So far I'm enjoying the story and I'm loving the characters. So I'm in, like I said, I'm in chapter 4. It's a bit cold, but I think a car is just driving by. I think I can sit outside for one more chapter before I go inside. Yeah, because it's a bit cold. My hands are freezing. Every other part of my body that's covered is fine. It's just my hands are freezing. But yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy one more chapter outside.
It's been for nothing. Nothing. Nothing.
Hey guys, I'm literally sitting on the floor. I want to give you guys a little update of my day. So I'm on chapter 8 of the book, and I think I'm about 100 pages in, and the book is about 300 or 200 and something pages. But anyways, but I had a quick power nap because I'm tired, and now I'm up, and Carson and I are just going for a drive up the mountains. Carson wants to go drive up the mountains, so we are going to drive up the mountains, and that's where we're headed. So I'm taking a break from reading, and god, it's so beautiful outside, so I'm excited for us to go up the mountains. I bet the views up there will be even more amazing. So more amazing, is that English correct? Is that grammar correct? Anyways, let's go. My voice is so groggy, but I hope you can hear me. It's another beautiful day. The weather actually said it was going to be cloudy today. I hope you can hear me. I'm trying not to talk too loud. Yeah, the forecast was going to be cloudy, but it looks like the sun is out, so I think it's another day to sit out to read. I guess this vlog has become a reading vlog. Let me know if you guys enjoyed the reading vlog, because like I said, this year I want to do lots of reading, so I think you guys are gonna be seeing more of this type of vlogs. I read until like I think 1 o'clock yesterday. I'm on, what chapter am I? I'm on chapter 14 now, and this is what I have left to go. I don't know how to show you guys. This is all I have left to go. I'm on page 180. I'm gonna see if I can finish the whole book today. I think that's my goal for today because I'm not doing anything today, so I'm gonna try and finish the book today. I'm gonna see if I can do that. So yeah, so far I'm really loving the book. I'm enjoying the characters. I'm gonna talk about the book when I'm done reading it, but I want to show you guys my cute bookmark. This is, I hope you guys can see it, girl. Oh wait, hold on. Come on, focus. This is my bookmark, guys. It's the last train ticket. It's the last train I took in Korea. This is the ticket from the last train ride I took in Korea. I just thought it would be the perfect souvenir, and I thought it would be perfect to be a bookmark. That's why I kept it. So this is my bookmark. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go shower, eat, and do all that, and then probably sit outside again today because yeah, I think the weather is even warmer than yesterday, so I think it'll be so much nicer to sit outside today again and finish my book. Okay, bye. Oh my god, guys, I just finished and I'm not gonna give it off. In case you want to read this book, I highly recommend you do. The end is just, yeah, it's a good book. Let me hold you guys. It's a really good book. I see why there's so much, I see why this book is hyped on social media. Yeah, I'm so glad I read this. I think I've been reading now since like maybe 1 o'clock, and it's currently 4:58, and I really wanted to finish this book today. I absolutely love this book. I don't want to give it off. I feel like I can't talk about this book without giving it off, but I want you guys to read this book. I recommend it. It ends with us. It's a really good book. Maybe in a couple of videos from now, after I've given you guys time to read the book, I can, you know, talk about it in some other video. But yeah, it's a really good book. The ending was just, the last sentence, oh yeah, the last sentence was perfect. Anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna end this video here. This video ended up being a reading vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, because I feel like I'm gonna be doing more of this, because like I said, I plan to read more this year, so I think you guys are gonna be seeing more of this type of vlogs. Please feel free to leave recommendations of books that you think I would enjoy. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.